Good morning, students. Today I am going to discuss about the movement of the earth. In last video we have read about the shape of the earth. We have read that Ferdinand Magellan has proved that the shape of the earth is round like a ball. But actually the shape of the earth is not like a ball. It is like an orange. Suppose this is the earth. Suppose this is the earth. And this is called the So we have read that the shape of the earth is like an orange. It is slightly flat at the top and at the bottom and bulked in the middle. Then the flat part of the bottom, the flat top part of the earth is known as North Pole, and the flat bottom part of the earth is known as South Pole. Now, when you spin a top, you have seen an imaginary line is appear. That is not actually a line. That is an imaginary line. Like that, when Earth rotates its own axis, it make an imaginary line. That imaginary line is known as axis. This imaginary line is known as axis. Now you know that what is North Pole and what is South Pole. The flat top part of the earth is known as North Pole and the flat bottom part of the earth is known as South Pole. And an imaginary line which passes through the earth is known as axis. And this line is slightly tilted. So, we know that there are two types of movement of the earth. One is called rotation and other is called revolution. And movement is of, the earth movement is of two types. Rotation and one is called rotation and one is called revolution. Now first we will discuss about the rotation. What is rotation and how earth rotates? We know about the axis. An imaginary line which passes through the earth is called axis. So there are two movements of the earth, that is rotation and revolution. What is rotation? When earth moves on its own axis is known as rotation. When earth moves on its own axis is known as rotation. The earth moves from west to east. So you know what is the causes of day and night? The rotation of the earth causes day and night. How? Suppose this is the sun and this is our earth. when the parts of the earth which faces to the sun causes day, that is the day part, and left is night. And earth takes 24 hours to complete one rotation. Now come to revolution. What is revolution? When earth moves around the sun is called revolution. When earth move around the sun is called revolution. The earth completes one revolution in 365 days and 6 hours. And revolution is the causes of changes of the season.
Good morning,